What are you going to be making today?
Passover is right around the corner, and today we're making kosher for Passover macaroons.
Ooh.
They're a big hit around here. You can buy the canister from the store, and they're delicious, but these are a quick recipe. They take less than 10 minutes. They're a great snack. They will impress your kids, they will impress your guests, and
plus they're super yummy. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bing!
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 For this recipe, you will need
5 tablespoons of cake meal,
1/4 teaspoon of salt,
4 egg whites, 1 cup of sugar, chocolate,
and 6 ounces of fine coconut.
Let's get started.
In your food processor, mix together your coconut and sugar. Then add your salt and cake meal. Make sure to mix well. Add your egg whites and just mix to combine. Scoop the coconut mixture onto a greased baking dish. If you have an ice cream scoop, use that, but you can also use spoons. Quick tip, make sure to use water in between each scoop so that you get a nice clean shape for your macaroon. Go ahead. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and cook your macaroons for 10 to 15 minutes until they start to brown on the top. Now that your macaroons are done, you can go ahead and decorate them. We melted some milk chocolate here. You can also use dark chocolate, and you can either dip your macaroons on the side, drip off the excess, and then just set them, let them sit to set. You could also dip them on the bottom or on the top. However you decide to decorate, it will look perfect. Go ahead. How do they taste, guys?
Super good.
You're covered in chocolate now. Wishing you and your family a happy Passover. Bye.
Bye.
All right, we're ready. What are you? It's the same line every week. What are we going to be making today? And today we are making kosher for Passover macaroons. Ooh! Nice pretty. Passover macaroons. You never know when she's gonna grab a chip. They come in the canister, but these taste like snack or dessert, and they're great for a recipe that will take less than 10 minutes. Start to brown on the top. Behind the scenes, eating the spoils. What's that, guys?